Hello from Elkhart, Indiana. This is John Taylor, Museum Director at the ETHOS Innovation Center. And I've got a bright idea today. Well, at least we're going to look at the sky a little bit and talk about what does this have to do with the stars out there. I think a lot of times people think when you look at the stars, stars are stars, they're all the same, but stars are so special, unique. There's so many different types of stars. And to take a look at them, I'm going to open Stellarium. As that's opening up, take a look at my light bulb here, and you'll notice if I turn this thing on, put a little energy into it, the first thing we're going to see is a little bit of a red buzz. See that little red down there? So that's the first color we see. The first color we see is red. As this warms up and gets hotter and hotter, we're going to start going through the colors. Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. And they'll start stacking up in our cones in our eyes are going to overlap. It's going to start looking nice and white, but all those colors just adding up. So of all the colors we have coming at us, the coldest we have is red. And actually, as this cools down even more, there's still color coming off. We just can't see it. That infrared, it's still coming out of this. We just don't have the eyes that are made to do that. Well, in the same way, if you look at the sky tonight, some really neat things happen. So let me take my Stellarium chart here. I'm going to rotate it around so I'm looking south. And I can zoom out. Oh, actually, this is kind of nice as we have it. Jupiter and Saturn doing their thing tonight. But there's three bright objects that are not planets off the ecliptic. One of those over here is Arcturus. Beautiful star, about 37 light years away. Then over here we have Altair. And up at the top here of the triangle is Vega. Beautiful stars. So I like to ask kids, ask adults too, are all stars the same color? And if you're saying yes, you need to get out to where there's a real nice, dark, beautiful sky, and you'll find out they're not. Stars have different temperatures, and they have different colors that go with it. I love to look at Vega with your eye. You should be able to pick out the color. If not, pull out a pair of binoculars or a telescope. It's 25 light years away. A little bit farther away, we've got Arcturus, and those two definitely give different colors to us when we look at it. I think some of the most fascinating part of the skies we actually can't see. But we do look over here between Vega and Altair. We have a nice band. You get a dark enough sky, you can see the beauty of the Milky Way coming out here, which is really nice. But examples of what is in the sky that we can't see is here's a region of sky, Cepheus, and what you're seeing is not anything that our eyes could, or not much that our eyes could pick up. This is all far in the infrared near radio is what we're looking at here, this deep, far infrared coloring coming up that astronomers have put together as a tricolor image. Is showing birthplaces of star. Over here in Cepheus C, we have a lot of stars just forming out, some baby stars popping out there. But many different colors in the sky, and I challenge you to go out, take a look, see what kind of stars you can find.